Hello and welcome back. In this video, I am going to research keyword using advanced AI technology, that is ChatGPT. So first of all, I am going to ChatGPT. Okay. So this is a new method you can use to find out the best keyword. Then you can use Google Keyword Planner to get a search volume. Okay. So first of all, I ask ChatGPT. Okay. So I ask a questions ChatGPT, just copy. I already write the prompt. I ask the ChatGPT, do you know about purchase oriented keyword? Then they give a result. Okay, yes, I have. They have been knowledge. Okay, my main keyword is hoodie. My main keyword is hoodie. Okay, then I tell second prompt, and he understand. Okay, memory updated. He give me some keyword list. Okay, got it. He understand. Then I tell you, please give me 200 keyword. How much keyword? 200 keyword. Then I can review every keyword is manually. Okay, so then he give a 200 keyword. Okay, so every keyword you should check manually, then we can research his search volume. Okay, so I copy every. Here you can see they give a great keyword. Okay, so then I'm going to keyword planner. Okay, and I will find out the search volume. So first of all, I need to go tools option and click the keyword planner. Then get search volume and the forecast. Okay, so I just paste the all keyword. Okay, just remove this part, and also I want to remove some part from here. Okay, so now get started. Okay, one keyword URL, remove. Oh, I understand, they do not accept any hashtag, so I just need to remove all the hashtag, thus I can get a search volume. Okay, just a second, I just remove all one. So now get started. Okay, so 13 keyword is error, so just remove this keyword and get started. So here you can see just a second again, I just get a search volume all keyword. So now here you can see ChatGPT gives some keyword, and this keyword he provide me, but search result is not a good. Okay, average monthly search volume is so normal. So I just change location. I will use our targeted location. Okay, then save the option. Then I try to increasing the there has a affordable hoodies. This has a 24 search volume, but most of the keyword have do not search volume. So you just download this one and find out the who keyword have a search volume, then you can find out maybe some keyword. Maybe here you can see average monthly search volume is not a good, but I believe you will get some keyword that has a good search volume. But I personally, from my experience, I think you should focus Google Keyword Planner and best find out the best uh, purchase oriented keyword. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me ask. Thank you so much.